Hey guys! Welcome back to DrawWithZach. If you're new to the channel, I'm Zach and this is Frankie, and today we are going to be doing another fun drawing. So what are we drawing today?
Since it is Easter tomorrow, we are drawing an Easter bunny with a basket of eggs.
That's right. So do you want to go on your iPad? We will get started. So pause now to grab yourself a piece of paper, a pen and something to lean on, and also stick around until the end because Frankie will be back. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a kind of curved shape right in the middle of our piece of paper, and then I'm going to make it symmetrical like that, and then we're going to draw a kind of, I don't really know how to explain it, but curved shape underneath there, and then you're going to draw a line slightly pointing to the left right there, and then we're going to draw that exact shape again, but we're going to draw it curved on the top like that, and then from the sides we're going to come in and down, and it's going to meet up. Then you're going to draw some little nostrils. So we're starting with the face. So today's pattern is face, tummy, arm, leg, leg, arm, and then the basket of eggs at the end. So now we're going to draw its mouth because it's got a nice open mouth. It's kind of a cartoony bunny. So it's going to come out here, like this, and then halfway through that, it's going to come down and then join up with the teeth. And then you're going to draw a little curved line for the tongue, like that. And then we're going to simply colour that in the pen that you're using. Or you can go and get a black pen, it's up to you. I'm going to try and colour this in nice and quickly for you guys. Don't forget that you can pause throughout the video at whatever time you want if I'm going too fast for you. Okay, nearly done. Okay, and then we're going to draw a little chin underneath that, so that's just kind of line underneath the mouth really. Okay, now we're going to come from the nose on the left. It's going to come out, and then going to have a curve back in, and then you're going to come out, and it's going to be a big bump, and then there's going to be another one, and it just comes out nicely and joins up with that chin. You might want to make the chin a bit bigger. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side, but we're going to start at the left again. It's going to bounce up, go quite close to that line there, and then it's going to bounce up again and do that. Big bump, and then come out. That. So that's the bottom half of the face done. Now we're going to go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm going to just draw two simple ovally shapes. That, and then we're going to draw two more ovally shapes in the eye or eyes. And then we're going to draw two more inside those tiny little ones. And then if they are the same size, then you can go ahead and colour them in. Okay, right, now we're going to draw a tuft of hair, and then gonna do the ears, because bunnies have very long ears. So above the eye on the right, just gonna do some little spikes really, I guess. Come back, and then we're gonna make the line on the top longer than the line on the bottom, and then right down here we're going to come up, it's going to join up with that, and then it's going to continue like that, come over, in, and back down like that, and then we're going to draw a line in the middle of that, and it's going to go up, and it's going to keep the same distance away from that other line, and it's going to go all the way around and keep the same distance until eventually we'll join up. So that is one of the ears done. Now let's draw the other one. So it's just going to be on the other side. It's going to be pointing the same way. that. Then we're going to draw the line in the middle as well. Okay. Get nice and just like that other one. Okay, and now we're just going to simply come out from the ears and down into the bottom part of the face. Okay, now we're just going to give him some nice eyebrows, and that is the face done. So well done, everybody. So if you can remember the pattern, it goes head, tummy, arm, leg, leg, arm. So we are going to be doing the tummy next. So I'm going to come out here like this, and then it's going to come back up, and then it's going to come down, back up again, down again, and it's going to do a big bump. Okay, and then from that big bump it's going to be an even bigger bump. It's going to come all the way around, and then it's going to go in a bit further, and then it's going to come back out and join up with that chin. Okay, next is the first arm. So we're going to draw the arm on the left. So I'm going to start with the thumb, so quite far out here. Just going to draw a simple semicircle, and then on the left side of that semicircle we're going to draw a little curved line that's equal on both sides. And then from the middle of that thumb it's going to come over like this, and then you're going to do another finger and another finger. So strangely, this bunny has 4 fingers instead of 5 like us, but that's how they are. So now I'm going to just draw a line that comes like that into the face, and then another line that comes like that into the body. Okay, good job, guys. Now onto the leg. So we're going to draw a simple foot shape. So it's kind of like he's karate kicking, like what I did in Michelangelo. If you've watched that already. If you haven't, go and watch it. So we're just going to draw a simple foot shape like this. Around, comes back in, and then you're going to do one toe, another toe, and another toe. Then inside each of those toes you're going to draw a little circle, and then in the middle you're going to draw a sad face. Then you're going to draw a smaller sad face underneath that. Then you're going to join it up with a curve. Okay, well done. So now from the top of this leg it's going to come in, and about halfway it's going to go down, and then it's going to join up to the body with a simple line like that. And then on the other side we're just going to follow the line up. It's going to go up all the way to the top of that, and then it's just going to join up at the bottom here. So I told you it was like karate kicking, like yeah, like that, if you can see. And now let's get onto the other leg. So we're going to start with the knee. So underneath here we're just going to draw a nice, like, it's going to go down, and then it's going to curve around like that, and then it's going to go up close to there, but it's not going to join up yet. We will do that later. And then there's just going to be a line that comes down and into there, and then from that line that we just drew it's going to come up. This is the heel now, so it's going to come down, and then it might come back on itself a bit, and then toe 1, toe 2, toe 3. You don't have to draw the little circles this time because we can only see them on the bottom of his feet. Okay, and now from back up here we're just going to draw a couple of lines, just leading it back up here, and then there's going to be a really long one that goes all the way to the top, but it's not going to join up quite yet. Okay, so before we forget, we're going to draw the tail, because in previous attempts I've forgotten to draw the tail, so we're going to do that before I forget. So it's going to be kind of like just a bit of fire, so it's just going to come up, come down a bit, come up again, come down, come up, come down, like that, and then you're going to draw from that very top point a nice curvy line like that, guys. And now we're going to draw the final arm, and this arm is holding the basket of eggs. Okay, so we're going to start off by drawing the basket. Around here, right near the tail, we're going to draw a curved line. It's going to come over here, down, and you're going to do the same on the other side, join it up, and then we're going to draw the thumb and the fingers. So from the bottom of it, going to come up like that, and then finger 2, finger 3, and then it's going to come in a bit, and then on this side, this is the thumb, it's going to come up and then in a bit, and then we're going to do what we did on the other side. So we're going to join it up like that with the body and the face, like that. Okay, so now let's finish the basket. So it's going to come out from the other side of the arm, like that. You're going to make it roughly the same size. And then you guys can turn your paper sideways, but I can't because I've got to show you guys this. So you guys can turn your paper sideways so that this is normal. And then you're going to just draw a line that goes across like that. And then from either side, you're going to come in, downwards like that. In, downwards. And then you're going to join it up with a slight curve. And then we're going to split this basket up into 3 parts. So you're going to draw 2 lines. Then you're going to split the bottom one into 3. So you're going to draw another 2 lines like that. And then on the middle row, you're going to draw a line in the middle of where that other one is. And the same on here, and the same on here. And then the same on the top row. And the top row and the bottom row should be roughly the same. Okay, so now I'm going to go into speedy mode to do this. You can draw your eggs inside the basket, so they can be whatever shape and size that you want. And then you can do patterns on it or whatever you want. And then also during speedy mode, we're going to be doing our colouring, of course. So these are the 5 colours that you need. Then I've also brought in a couple more colours for my eggs. So this is what the colours that you need, and then some extra colours for your eggs. So pause now to grab them, and we'll go into speedy mode. So, are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, speedy mode. Phew! Speedy time's over now, guys, but I've got my finished picture, and also
I've been practicing my pictures too.
Frankie's been doing some Easter bunnies as well. They look really good.
Read that. Probably can't.
There you go.
That's
Okay.
Happy Easter to you.
Okay,
You have a great Easter, guys.
yeah, have a great Easter. Okay, you can put it down now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.